Over a year ago, my boyfriend and I moved into our first place together, a small one-bed flat in London. Now, a year later, we have moved out to be moving back home. I am back at my parents' place. I have essentially just hit the reset button on the past 2 years of me moving out to come back here, to come back home. Not gonna lie, I've actually been here for the past 3 months. You know what? It's actually been alright. It's been okay. I've quite enjoyed it. Not gonna lie, it was not hard to readjust considering moving back home meant that there were always food around. If anything, I had to readjust to never being hungry. I've also probably gained some weight since being back. Like, there's always food everywhere, and honestly, I have this problem where I just don't say no. Like, summer body is gonna have to be postponed to 2022 because honestly, it's not looking good right now. Something I had to readjust to was the space. Like, I was living in a small one-bed flat and now I'm in a house. I always thought that I never fully had made proper use of the space that I had here since we moved to this house while I was still at uni, so I was only here really during the holidays, and when uni was done, it was not long till I actually moved out, so it finally feels like I'm making use of the space. Moving back home also meant that I was also back to old habits. Like, I got lazy. Like, I'm back home when I was before uni, I was lazy. In uni, I was lazy. I've gone back to being lazy. My boyfriend has my car, so I haven't really been able to leave the house. Not that I could anyway. We've been in a lockdown since Christmas. But essentially, I just spent a lot of time just being lazy. I still have moving boxes about my room. Oh, let's not talk about my room because it's a mess. I live in the mess. I adjust myself around the mess. It's not a good look. But really, since moving back, I just find myself just being on my PC like all day long. I don't think I've really had been as productive with my time as I could have been. Although, something I did not expect to come about, especially this soon, was to buy a house. Excuse the look, this is my work from home look, but I just got a letter. And my mom called me downstairs and she was like, I think you got a letter from your mortgage. And I'm like, what? So, I hope this is the mortgage. Okay, one sec. Oh, dropping everything. Oh my god, can you hear me? Can you hear me? We got our mortgage.
Are you serious?
No.
Or both? Oh, I mean...
I got two chunks. I've got two chunks. I opened your letter. I got 2 chunks of the letter, but we got a mortgage. We got a mortgage. We got an offer. We got a loan.
What does it say?
It says, your offer of loan. You'll find the following documents for this offer. And I was just like, oh, it's a lot of plates. I got it.
What does it say?
Honestly, I've just been reading titles. There's so much like writing, and it just says, we have exciting news. We're happy to offer you a loan to help you buy your first home. You'll find the following documents in this offer.